Formal and informal organization. Formal organization. When the managers are carrying on organization process, then as a result of organizing process, an organizational structure is created to achieve systematic working and efficient utilization of resources. Types of formal organization. There are three types: normative, coercive, and utilitarian. Features. The formal organizational structure is created intentionally by a process of organizing. The purpose of formal organization structure is achievement of organizational goal. In the formal organization structures, each individual is assigned a specific job. Advantages. Systematic working. Formal organization structure result in systematic and smooth functioning of an organization. Achievement of organizational objectives. For formal organization structure is established to achieve organizational objectives. No overlapping of work. In formal organization structure, work is systematically divided among various departments and employees. Coordination. Formal organizational structure results in coordination the activity of various departments. Creation of chain of command. Formal organizational structure clearly defines superior-subordinate relationship. More emphasis on work. Formal organizational structures place more emphasis on work than interpersonal relations. Disadvantages. Delay in action. While working, scalar chain and chain of command action get delayed in formal structure. Ignore social needs of employees. Formal organizational structure does not give importance of psychological and social need of employees, which may lead to demotivation of employees. Emphasis on work only. Formal organizational structures give importance to work only. It ignores human relations, creativity, talent, etc. Informal organization. In the formal organization structure, individuals are assigned various job opposite. While working at those job positions, the individual interact with each other and develop some social and friendly group in the organization. This network of social and friendly group forms another structure in the organization, which is called informal organizational structure. This is the informal sector. Features. Informal organizational structures gets created automatically without any intended effect of managers. Informal organizational structure is formed by the employee to get psychological satisfaction. Informal organizational structures does not follow any fixed path of flow of authority or communication. Advantages. Fast communication. Informal structure does not follow scalar chains, so that can be fast speed of communication. Fulfill social needs. Informal communication gives due to importance to psychological and social need of employees, which motivated the employees. Correct feedback. The knowledge of informal group can be used to gather support of employee and improve their performance. Disadvantages. Spread rumors. According to a survey, 70% of information spread through the informal organizational structures are rumors, which may mislead the employees. No systematic working. Informal structure does not form a structure for smooth working of an organization. May bring negative results. In informal organization oppose the policies and changes of management, then it becomes very difficult to implement them in organization. Conclusion. An informal organization is just opposite of a formal organization. The principal difference between these two is that all the members of a formal organization follow a chain of command, which is not in the case of informational organization. Moreover, there exists a superior-subordinate relationship in the former, whereas such relationship is absent in the latter because all the members are equal. Thank you.